This type of stone is known for its strength, durability, and elegant surface texture. It gives the entrance a luxurious and timeless appearance. The doorway is a very important architectural element because it is the first thing people notice when they enter the space. That's why accuracy and attention to detail are essential in this work. First, I carefully measure the opening to ensure perfect alignment and symmetry. Precision is very important at this stage because even a small mistake can affect the final look. After preparing the surface, I apply high-quality adhesive material to guarantee strong bonding and long-term durability. The stone pieces are installed with extreme care, maintaining consistent spacing and straight lines. You can see the smooth texture and refined finish of the stone. This material has a premium touch and elegant surface, which enhances the beauty of the entire entrance. During installation, I continuously check the level and alignment to make sure everything is perfectly straight. Professional stone installation requires patience, experience, and technical skill. It's not just about placing stones, it's about creating a clean, balanced, and durable design. The final result is a high-quality stone doorway with a sophisticated finish that adds value and style to the property. This type of craftsmanship is ideal for villas, luxury homes, and modern architectural projects. If you appreciate precision stonework and professional craftsmanship, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more high-quality construction projects.